Well, some health departments got bad news this week. Federal funding that departments were planning to use for the rest of the year has been put on hold.
Yeah, the CDC is cutting billions in COVID funding meant for local health departments. Ryan Lucchine, he spoke to some Northwest Ohio departments to see how this change could affect them.
On Monday, the CDC began sending letters to local health departments saying federal COVID relief funding was being cut now. Kareem Baroudi from Lucas County Health says they expected the money to still be available later this year.
Whereas any funding cut would put a burden. I think we assembled our team really quick to make sure we can pivot and absorb those cuts for the time being.
Wood County was also affected. The department had access to $8 million in grant money to combat COVID. They were able to use funding to add to the county, like UV beam disinfection and water bottle filling stations. But any project in the works before Monday, Ben Robinson says they are on pause.
While we're disappointed that we're not able to make the impact that these dollars would have allowed us to make, this is not going to disrupt our ability to deliver the essential services and core services the health department has always delivered.
Luckily, as COVID isn't the only disease to fight, they made sure their funds were meant to help curb others.
We know that preventing COVID prevents a lot of other stuff too, from norovirus to influenza to a number of other illnesses. And so we really thought about this with a broad lens, and we established projects that would have lasting impact well beyond the grant term.
And don't worry, while federal funding for new projects has stopped, you can still be checked out by healthcare providers.
We will continue to do our services. We will continue to do our work here locally. The most important thing is for us to find alternatives for those cuts that might be coming.
Reporting in Toledo, Ryan Lucchine, WTOL 11.